Welcome to our tutorial video for the Matrice 350 RTK, where we will show you how to link the aircraft and remote controller. The aircraft enters the linking mode. Power on the remote controller in the aircraft, press and hold the aircraft power button at least 5 seconds, and release it after hearing an indicator tone. The power indicator will blink green, which means the linking process has begun. The remote controller enters the linking mode. Method 1, using DJI Pilot 2. Launch DJI Pilot 2 and select the corresponding aircraft model. Tap Link to Aircraft. When the indicator tone stops and the app prompts that the link is complete, the linking is successful. Method 2, using combination buttons. Press the C1, C2, and record buttons simultaneously. When the remote controller beeps and the status LED of the remote controller blinks blue, the linking has started. When the indicator tone stops and the status LED is solid green, the aircraft power indicator stops blinking, and the app home page shows the aircraft icon and name. The linking is successful. Thank you for watching.